Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing another video for Vortex, and what we're going to be doing today is generating random coordinates around an area of interest. So we're going to go here to QGIS. I added a map, a satellite map on here, Google satellite maps, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to generate 1000 random locations or coordinates in the map. This is very useful for geospatial data or when we want to test geomapping when we're doing that type of stuff. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to import GeoPandas. GeoPandas as GPD. We're going to import pandas as PD, and we're going to import NumPy. I'm going to define a main function, and for us to execute our code from the command line, we're going to do if underscore name underscore there equal main. We're gonna print. We're gonna print that our program started. Generating random coordinates. Then we're gonna execute our program, and then we're gonna say that the random coordinates have been generated. All right. So all we have to do now is to define what that function is gonna have. Control save. Okay, and what I'm going to do now, we have to define first all the global variables that we need. So global variables. Okay, what the global variables we need? We need the output projection. And we're going to do this as standard projection, a standard EPSG projection for us to use normal in latitude and longitude degrees. Then the next thing that we have to define is the file name that we want to export. This can change whatever is the file name that you need. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to generate, we're going to define the coordinates that we're going to operate with, or basically the area of interest. Okay, so it's going to be latitude and longitude. And we're going to define an area of interest, so we're going to define the top left quarter of that area of interest and the bottom right coordinate of that area of interest. I already have some coordinates of my area of interest, which is 48.98.80, comma 8.3873. Here 48.9805, comma 8.4043. So notice that my bottom right coordinate, the latitude, is a bit larger. No, this is wrong here. It's smaller. Sorry, it's smaller than the top left corner latitude, and in the longitude is the other way around. The bottom right coordinate is larger than the top left corner. Just make sure that you, when you input the coordinates, is in this way, otherwise your program might crash. Now we're going to create the random coordinates, and for this we're going to use NumPy. And what we're going to do is, so a latitude array And for this, we're going to use numpy dot random dot uniform. And basically, what we're doing is we're uniformly sampling the area. We're going to do top left corner 0, comma, and now we're going to do bottom right corner 0, and we haven't defined the number of coordinates that we need, so we're going to define here the number of coordinates that we want to generate. We're going to generate 1000 coordinates. We're going to click save again, and we're going to just copy and paste this here, and now we're just going to copy and paste this here, and now we're going to be using the longitude instead, and basically we're going to call this longitude. Great. So okay, to define now to convert these coordinates. Now we have generated the random coordinates. Now what we need is to convert this into a file. To do that, we're going to use pandas. So I'm going to define a data frame. So pd.dataframe, come on, data frame there, and we're going to define it by columns equal, and the columns that we want is I just need another array here, and we want latitude and longitude. That's all. So basically, we are just defining the columns of this pandas array, and the reason we're doing that is because we're going to use the GeoPandas library to generate the file. And so first, we need to create this pandas pandas data frame. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do dot so data frame dot latitude is going to be equal to latitude array, and just going to copy paste this, and then longitude here, this is going to be equal to longitude array. Perfect. And then after this, what we're going to do is we're going to do the GeoPandas module. So geo data frame, we're going to call this, and we're going to say GeoPandas dot geo data frame, and we're going to define the data frame is going to be the data that we're going to be using for this, and the geometry is given by the following. So we're going to have to define these GPD points dot points from xy. So basically this is a method that takes the points and converts it into these geodata frame geographical points. And basically what we're going to do here is we're going to feed the data frame dot longitude. Be careful here, that is longitude latitude, not latitude longitude, dot latitude. That's perfect. I'm going to make this smaller so you guys can see. Great. And now what we need to do is we need to define the projection that these coordinates have. So the projection that we have is we have to define that, but geo data frame dot coordinate reference system CRS, and then we're gonna do this, and basically we're gonna the initialization init is gonna be in EPSG. Yep. And I'm gonna do dot format, and basically our output projection, that's the one that we defined here. Okay. Perfect. Now all we are left with is we are just missing to export the file. So GeoPandas geodata frame, it's equal Geo frame.to file. I don't think we need that. To underscore file. And then we have to define where are we gonna export that file. So we're just gonna export it in the same folder that we have the program, and we're gonna add the file name to this. Here we're just using string addition or just string concatenation. That's what this plus means. And we're just gonna do a driver, and this is gonna be the format of the file that we want, and we want the driver to be a geojson. All right, so I think our program is finished. Now all we need to do is we need to run this program and get our coordinates. So I'm gonna go here. Okay, I'm gonna open a terminal and I'm gonna go to the folder that we have this saved. So I just have it in my documents, in my Git, in my YouTube, in Python. Pandas, that's where I have this code, and I'm just gonna run Python random points. And let's see how it goes. Perfect. So it tells us that the random point, generating the random points, the random coordinates have been generated, and now we have generated all the coordinates. So we have to navigate to the folder where we have this file. That I wrote it wrong, but and here it is, and we can just drag and drop. We can just drag and drop these coordinates now to QGIS, and there we go. We have 1,000 random coordinates in the area of interest that we want. Let me change here the color for something that is more visible so you guys can see it. Okay, okay, there you go, 1,000 random coordinates, and sometimes this is useful when we're sampling an area. Maybe we want to generate random coordinates to sample, I don't know, the height and try to estimate what is the GTM of the area, or there are many reasons why we would need to sample. Perfect. So that will be for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. And here's the code, so you can guys see the complete code here, and you can just use it for your projects. All right. See you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please just hit that button down here